The unshift method of an array allows you to add a value to the beginning of the array. Unlike push method, which adds the value at the very end of the array, unshift returns the new length of the array it was called on. So we have to use, we have an example here. So we have a variable countdown, which was defined with the keyword const, which is assigned to an array that has an element 2, 1, and 0. We also have a variable here, new length, which is assigned to the calling of the array, and with the interpolated method unshift. So it added 3 at the very beginning of our array, because again, unshift method is a method of an array that allows you to add a value to the beginning of the array. Therefore, the 3 argument of the unshift has been added to the beginning of the examples array countdown. What has been added to the beginning array of the countdown? Okay. And it logged the variable new length. So it was just used to log the elements of the updated array. So in this part, we have to use the const to declare another variable called unshifted and assign it to the result of the calling unshift on our numbers array. So again, unshift is a method that is used for array, and our arrays is called numbers. Our array rather, because we only have one. So we call here our unshift to add one or more to the beginning of our array. Our argument would be then 5. Then print your unshifted variable. Okay. Unshifted. So it prints out the updated array. As you can see now, 5 has been added to the very beginning of our numbers array. Wait, what? Numbers. Oh, yes. Yeah. So it basically logged the numbers of our updated array. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. Okay, nice.